Yeah. Today is one of those days where it's like below freezing, but it's not snowy and the clouds are really low. It totally sucks. But I kind of have an idea. I don't know if you can see. Let's see here, right there. The sun is it's kind of coming through. So I think I can fly my drone up there and see if maybe there's blue sky up high. Drone can go 1,500 feet in the air, which is not very high, but I think those clouds might be low enough. So let's see if we can get just a little bit of sunshine. And if it's really good, then I know I can go up in the mountains and get sunny weather. Looking pretty good. We're at 326 feet. Not in the clouds yet. I didn't change to a fresh battery, so I only have 30% left. We're gonna risk it. Oh, we're in the clouds. Okay, cool. 800 feet, and we're totally in the clouds. 1,400 feet, no blue sky, totally in the cloud. Wait. Is it turning blue? It's turning blue! I'm spinning in circles. Oh.
Altitude reached.
Uh-oh. It says severely low battery. I think I might have seen a thing, but it says landing. I only got 19, 18. All the alarm bells are going off. This thing's gonna drop out of the sky like a stone. Shit, this is not going well. I'm still in the clouds. Oh no. Okay, I'm out of the clouds. Okay. Whew. All right, we're gonna aim for those fields over there just in case. So we're not above the river. Oh my God, 9%. Oh, that's the closest I've ever come. 3% battery. Oh my God. Yeah, that was not a good idea. No sunshine, but I think it's up there. I have an idea. Let's go find it. Look at that. That right there. That's sunshine. I picked up a hitchhiker. There's total bluebird sky. Stoked.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that noise is so creepy. That's awesome. If you listen really closely, you can hear the ice cracking. I'm not sure why, but it's kind of spooky. We made it to the lake, and sadly, even though I was looking for sunshine, it's not in the sunshine, it's in the shadow. But I think if we go all the way to the other side of the lake, then we can look back and see sunset in Glacier Park. I'm stoked. Are you stoked?
I'm stoked.
We're stoked. Okay, almost ready to go. The ice looks thick, but you know, better safe than sorry. Looks kind of cool too. Let's skate this up.
I feel fine right here. On this side.
Right next to the edge?
Right next to where it gets shallow right there? Yeah, great.
I'm 95% sure that we're not gonna fall through, because I think it's like 8 or 10 inches thick, but there's still these giant cracks all the way across it, and they make all sorts of noise, which is not great. Look at that crack. Dude, that's a hell of a crack. It just goes all the way out there. Water's come through that crack. Now it's like a racing lane though. Look at those mountains. That's Glacier Park. Feels pretty good out here. Except for my feet hurt already.
I think that was me going too close to the edge.
Oh my God. Oh, dude, that was so uncomfortable. I felt the shock of that crack all the way through my body.
Oh,
Whew. Scaredy cat. I think it's salt. I don't think we're falling through, but that was uncomfortable. Across the lake, you think?
Yeah, I guess.
The new plan is, that was a noise.
Boy, Chris jumped at that one.
Wow, it sounds so cool. I don't know if you can hear that in camera, but
Wow.
these like Star Wars noises. Okay, so we can't go this way because there's water from a creek. So we're kind of like a dead end. So the only way we can go is across the lake if we want to do the whole circle of the lake. We're gonna stay like 10, 12 feet apart from each other. And then that way, if he falls in, I can toss him this rope. And if I fall in, he can toss me the life jacket. Okay, I'm going for it. Here we go. How's it going back there? It's nerve-wracking. I don't think there's anything to worry about. The ice is so thick. What does it mean? Sissy! Oh God, I don't like that spot. That feels uncomfortable. Here we are. So we didn't find sunshine, we found blue skies, and I got exercise, which is pretty much, after you're done exercising, the same feeling you have if you get sunshine, in my book. It does the same thing for me, which is make me happy. Stoked. What a wonderful place. Do a hockey stop. Hey, whoa. Alright, so I think that's a wrap on this place. We're freezing cold and it's so beautiful. Yeah, that's it. Oh my God, it's so cool.